Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create and share your personal WhatsApp link. So, let's get started. First, launch the WhatsApp on your phone. This works for both iPhone and Android devices. The WhatsApp doesn't have a built-in feature to directly generate your link. But don't worry, I'll show you a simple trick to create your personal WhatsApp link. The format of your WhatsApp link is wa.me backslash followed by a phone number with your country code. For example, this is what I type. And then, in order to send your WhatsApp link, just click that send option. And once you created your link, you can copy and share it with others on social media, your email, or any platform where you want the people to contact you. And that's it. Now you know how to generate and share your personal WhatsApp link easily. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Drop your comments and questions below. So, thank you for watching.